Still sharing your Google Forms link like this? Copy, paste, send, and hope people actually open it? What if you could turn that long link into something people can access instantly with just one scan? Today, we're talking about the best QR code generator for Google Forms, which is the smartest choice for businesses, educators, and even government use. People use Google Forms for collecting feedback, registrations, surveys, and more. But the problem, it can be difficult to share the form. Send it in the chat, and people just ignore it, and it can get lost from all the convos. Let's be honest, no one wants to type a long URL. That's where QR Tiger's Google Forms QR code solution changes everything. Let's talk about what the features to look for when choosing a QR code generator for Google Forms. Dynamic QR codes. First, dynamic QR codes. This is a must. Let's say you update your Google form or replace it entirely. With a dynamic QR code, you don't need to reprint or resend anything. You can edit the link behind the QR code anytime. And that's a huge advantage for businesses running campaigns, schools updating forms, and government offices managing public services. Scan tracking and analytics. Next, scan tracking. Wouldn't you want to know how many people opened your form, or when they scanned it, or where they were when they scanned it? QR Tiger gives you real-time analytics, so you're not just collecting responses, you're also understanding behavior. It's perfect for marketers and super useful for institutions tracking engagement. Custom design and branding. Let's talk about design, because a plain black and white QR code, easy to ignore. With QR Tiger, you can add your logo, change colors, insert a call to action, and match your brand. And this is especially important if you're running a campaign, hosting an event, or representing an organization. A well-designed QR code attracts a lot of scans. Security and control. Now, for something often overlooked, security. If your Google form contains sensitive or limited access information, you'll want control. QR Tiger lets you add passwords, set expiration dates, and limit access when needed. Ease of use. And of course, it has to be easy. With QR Tiger, the process is simple. Paste your Google form link, generate, customize, download, and you're done. No complicated setup, no technical skills required. Advanced tools for scaling. If you're working at scale, QR Tiger gives you more control behind the scenes. You can connect with tools like HubSpot CRM or use Zapier for additional integrations. You can also add custom UTM parameters to track where your scans are coming from. And if you need multiple QR codes, you can generate up to 3,000 of them at once, which saves you hours of manual work. When you combine all of these features, you're making your Google Forms more accessible. And the easier it is to access your form, the more responses that you get. If you're still relying on long links, you're already losing people. So if you're a business collecting valuable feedback, an educator doing surveys, or a government office improving public access, creating your Google Form QR code with QR Tiger means you're making everything interact faster, simpler, and more effectively. And you can create your Google Form QR code with QR Tiger by going to www.qrcode-tiger.com or clicking the link in the description box below. And hey, if you want to know more ways that you can use QR codes for your business or organization, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Till next time.